No time for breakfast this morning. I want to avoid the heat. It's 24 degrees and it's not even 8 in the morning. Oh, look at that. When do you have a traffic jam of camels? I'm starting the day with only 76%. I had lots of issues yesterday with the power, so I couldn't charge the bike up to 100%. The power grid here is not ideal. Anyway, leaving Merzouga. See you later.
Il y a deux prises, tu as une prise là à l'intérieur.
Ok.
Une autre prise là-bas.
J'ai une rallonge hein, si tu veux. Ok, on va essayer.
I can charge here. It works for now. They don't have the ground line, but I will see. I will take a break first.
I paid 50 quid for the breakfast, which is fair. They wanted to charge me 200 in Merzouga. Merzouga is expensive. Anyway, see you later. Salut. Non, elle est électrique. Elle a pas besoin. Je suis juste là pour mettre les trucs dans les oreilles. Merci. Au revoir. I stopped here for a quick drink. It's too hot. I think it's close to 40 degrees. My hotel is there. It's right at the exit of the city. Yeah, it's here. Okay. They gave me a very quiet room. I have the kids club on one side and the pool on the other side. Can you hear that music? It's pretty much what I hear. Là, je vais à Agoudal.
Agoudal, c'est bien.
Ouais. Et puis après, je redescends.
Ouais, Inch'Allah. Tu redescends là-bas ou ici?
Non, je redescends sur gorge du DADES. La route, tu sais comment elle est là-bas, c'est ok?
Ça va, ouais. Avec la moto, ça va.
Ouais, parce que t'as vu, moi, elle est basse, la mienne.
Ouais, mais pas beaucoup. Il est bien, c'est bien. Salut. Non problème, madame, ici. Le bienvenu chez nous.
Salut.
J'ai la famille là-bas en France aussi.
Où ça?
À Paris.
À Paris?
Argenteuil, Clermont.
Oh, ok, ouais.
Et j'ai des amis à Lyon, à Montpellier. Le bienvenu chez nous ici. Si j'ai chez nous le couscous ici chez la famille, ça va. Hein?
Ok, super. Merci.
Voyage et doucement de la route.
Salut. This guy just came to discuss because he saw that the bike was electric and he told me, it's the first one we see here. Anyway, see you later. This part is called les gorges de TODRA. Bonjour. Ça va?
Hi, honey.
J'ai pas compris.
Honey.
Ah! I guess I'm left. I'm on the way down now. I have 54% left. I think I did good battery management. 54% is plenty enough, really. So that's Agoudal over there. Now I just need to make it down to Gorges de DADES and to my riad. See you there. Come on, buddy. Allez, on se pousse là. That's the pass. I think now it will just go down, and also it's where the fun begins. According to Curviger, it's 20 kilometers of unpaved road. It's not a beer, but it's good enough. Look at that. Wow. Wow. Look at that. It's like we are plunging into the canyon. Wow. That's it for the day. I'm tired. I mean, those 20 kilometers of dirt took some energy because the SRF is very low and you need to pay attention to everything. It's not like with the off-road bikes that are higher. So, yeah, alright. So I'll leave you for the day and I see you tomorrow for another interesting journey. See you.